Hey guys, welcome back. As you see, we are in room 1030. It is the concierge class room, so you will be seeing some things that are strictly for concierge class in this particular room tour. I will try to make sure that I point those out for you. Going forward in this series, I will be letting you know whether or not I think paying for concierge class is something I would suggest for you and reasons why or why not. As you see the room itself, it is your cruise ship room. I definitely think there's a little bit more space in this shower than some. The products that you see, the Bigelow here, whether it's in the shower, the lotion here, the soap, and the additional items that you'll see underneath the hairdryer here are for the concierge class. Whether or not you decide that that is something for you, there you go. It is definitely included in the room. There was enough storage for my sister and I. She had one shelf, I had another. There's also storage underneath here. There's a little door that you can open up. And then there's storage underneath the sink and the toilet paper holder. So there was enough there. Those drawers do open, but they are very small. With that being said, there is storage. This is another perk, champagne or bubbly of your choice included in the room. No, the minibar is not included, but it is there for you. You can have them take those items out and just use it for you if that's something you want to do. The power strip, I'm not sure if you saw, I did pause the video a moment ago so that you could see that there are two American style plugs, and then there was one European plug, which you can get an adapter if you choose to use that one as well. That was located there at the desk. These robes are also for the concierge class. I'm sure you can request and see if that's something they give you, as well as this oversized umbrella that is also here. The storage itself for the closet was good, and the doors are very easy to open. So that I do find sometimes is an issue. It wasn't here, so there you go. Definitely enough space for my sister and I to sit and not be sitting on top of each other. The one thing you notice here is the bed is not square, it's scalloped at the end. And that actually does make a difference when the beds are separated. I'm kind of tall, and I noticed, my sister pointed it out as well, and she's a couple inches shorter than me, that you do notice if you tend to end up on the other side of that bed, you do notice that your feet kind of dangle. So just something to point out here. Again, more storage. I actually did use this, and it was very convenient to put some of my larger clothes items up top there. The bed itself was a little firmer. The pillows were definitely comfortable, but overall, I think it was okay. A normal size balcony, I actually love the table versus a stool or something that you end up using. We actually use this quite a bit, so that came in handy. I wouldn't have known it otherwise, but it came in handy. Overall, I think the room is a very good size, laid out well. You don't feel like you're completely on top of each other. Two adults anyway, I can't speak for any more than that. Your life jackets are under the bed, and obviously this is where you need to go, God forbid there be an emergency. But you can see the room. Hopefully you can see the light that comes in from the balcony, which is fairly good. The drapes are blackout drapes, and they definitely work well. But I would say compared to some of the other ships that I have been on, which you guys see, for her age, I think she holds up quite well. No reclining, but you do have a footstool, so you can sit out there for quite a while if that's something that you want to do. We're in Fort Lauderdale. I can only assume that someone put that there because it was rocking, but I left it. But we're in Fort Lauderdale here in Port Everglades. That is the Royal Caribbean Liberty of the Seas across from us. And we will head out now. I hope you stay tuned for what's to come as far as the ship tour. Thanks for all those who are subscribed. If you're not, it's just a click, and I sure would appreciate it. We'll see you in part 3.